Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about free stuff. Yes, you heard well, free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? A couple weeks ago I was on Facebook and I saw this advertisement saying that if I register myself I can get free stuff. And I was like, really? Free stuff? Nobody gets anything for free these days. But turns out it is actually free. This happens thanks to Pinch Me. Pinch Me lets you discover and try products from leading brands for free. Completely free. You don't want to miss out. Like, you have to try this. But there is something they actually want you to do. Yeah, I know it sounds like, well, but you just told me it's for free. Like, why I have to do anything else? Well, just relax. It's nothing crazy. The only thing you have to do is get feedback in return about the products, about Pinch Me. There is like a survey you have to complete, and that's it. It's only gonna take you 15 minutes of your time. Nothing. And you're gonna get products in return for free. Even the shipping, everything's for free. You don't have to put your credit card, your debit card, you don't have to go and pay somewhere. Like, it is for free. And it's gonna get to your door every month. How? Every month, a release of new free samples are released for you to claim. This happens on a day called Sample Tuesday, which is usually the second Tuesday of the month. All you have to do is go into Pinch Me and register yourself for you to claim those. So you gotta go register yourself right now because tomorrow is Sample Tuesday and you don't want to miss out a thing about getting free samples this month. Go ahead, go register, go get your free stuff. You're probably wondering what kind of products you're gonna get in a box. Well, products go from cleaning products to beauty products, pets products, snacks. Who doesn't like snacks? Who doesn't like snacks for free? I love snacks for free. What you guys need to know is that you gotta be checking on your email, because the faster you get your email, the faster you can go on pinchme.com, and the faster you're gonna get your products. And so you do everything that I just told you, you're gonna have the chance to get better products on your box because you choose them. Nobody's gonna send you some random stuff. You choose what you want on your box. You just got to complete like some questions. The more you answer, less chances you're gonna get to get amazing, fabulous stuff. Anyways, here's my box. I got it 2 days ago, but I wasn't home to record. So today is Monday, I'm recording right now, and I just gotta let you know that tomorrow it is Sample Tuesday. So go register yourself, log in your account, just order your free samples. Open. I thought I broke it. Okay, so this is the box. It is super cute, and you can see here where to find them. So they sent me this box because I wanted to show you guys. As an influencer, I'm always gonna like try to show you the best you can get out of this world. So this is a box. It has some stuff there that we're gonna see each one, and I got these little welcome cards. They tell you just what I just told you, that it's for free. You don't need credit cards or anything. Amazing stuff for free. Here I got these crackers. They seem really good. Maybe to put some jelly on top and eat them while I watch Netflix. Then I have this natural toothpaste. Great, so I can keep my teeth clean. I got a protein bar because I'm always hungry. I always need this. This come handy. I got a granola bar, which I love. I love them. This is interesting. I got a protein shake, and it has probiotics too. It's vegan. The flavor is vanilla. I'm really excited to try this one. I love protein shakes. Sometimes it's hard when you work or something. You just grab one of this and give it on the go, and keeps you very full. This is an hydrating argan hair mask, which I need because my hair is burned. Perfect. This is a laundry whitening sheets. There come 2 in this package. I need this. I needed this. I love this. And the last one is Fixing Skoo moldable glue. This is an interesting product. It says if it's broken, fix it. So you just gotta take it out of here and stick it to whatever you want to fix. Then you shape it and then you let it dry. It says that in 24 hours it turns into a strong and durable silicone rubber that stays stuck. This is really good. Okay, well, this was super interesting. I really enjoyed unboxing, reviewing this amazing box. I'm excited to try all the products. I really like the idea of getting stuff for free, so don't forget, tomorrow is Sample Tuesday. Register, go, take your free stuff. Let me know how it goes. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing this for you. If you like the video, give some thumbs up and share it and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some cool videos this week, and probably I'm gonna be posting more than once a week sometimes. Thank you for watching. Love you all.